Beautiful places bring about beautiful thoughts, and this one is a sharing of thoughts as much as a free flowing vlog. So, where am I? I am in Gokarna, and this is at the bottom end of the Om Beach. So, this is a slight bit of a cliff, and as you can see, take you a little closer. What you can see there is that's the bottom part of Om Beach. And so, why do I love Gokarna? I love beaches, I love mountains, I love nature anyway, but Gokarna has a really special place in my heart. Why? Because this is a place where the terrain, and if you can see this, you have coves, rocks, cliffs. So the terrain is very beautiful. It's almost as if it was artistically sculpted to make it very entertaining. The whole process of the ocean meeting the land, it's like a playful dance, like a courtship between the water and the land. And all beaches are beautiful wherever they are, but many times it's the same beach, on and on and on, which is also nice. But here it's like, in some places there are coves, some places there are rocks, kinds of rocks. Some places there are like these black volcanic rocks, some places red, some places iron. The kind of rocks also change, so let me show you the mountains or the hills. So it just goes on. So there are 7 beaches, so you can actually do a 7 beach trek, which my husband and I did today morning. We did 6 beaches actually, and then we came back. Last year with a group of women, we had done all 7 beaches. So you actually climb over a hill, and then you reach one beach, and it is separate. It's a separate cove. And then you climb over another hill, and then you reach another beach. And each beach has its own, literally like character, the kind of people who come. Some beaches have road access. Many of the beaches do not have road access. So again, there's a different kind of people who come there. Some beaches have cows and dogs. Like Kudle Beach yesterday, we had so many cows. Some beaches have only dogs. Some beaches have dogs and cats. Some beaches have again, different things. The kind of birds I spotted were different in different beaches. Some beaches have boat access, so you'd have tourists coming in. Of course, the sad thing, the kind of litter in every beach is also, some beaches are dirty, and some parts of some beaches, that's also something I think that we really need to be mindful of. Like all of us, me, you, everyone who goes to these lovely places, to say that can we maybe leave it cleaner than we found it, because leave it as you found it is not enough anymore. So leave it cleaner than you found it, and maybe over years we can restore nature to what it could be. So each beach has its, of course, own little character, own vibes, and some of the cafes have music playing in them, so different kinds of music. So it's like Gokarna is many beaches, many experiences rolled into one. There is somebody, so we went on a trek, so there are trekking routes from beach to beach, but if you're not careful, you can miss the turn, and then what you can land up doing is rock climbing on a cliff because you're so way off the route, which is sort of what happened to my husband and me this morning. So we landed up rock climbing without planning to. I was so afraid and so scared, but we did it. It was fun, and so there's something for everybody. You can swim. Some beaches are rough if you like to get thrown around by waves. Some beaches are, I can show you very kid friendly, the beach down there right now. So it's very mild, there are no waves, there are like little children with floaties and family beaches. In the morning there was a girl doing all cartwheels on the beach. So it's really nice. So this is Gokarna, and signing off from Om Beach, or the fag end of Om Beach, and maybe you will see, make it a journey to go to Gokarna one of these days.